Dun dun.
Blocky is eliminated at 6 votes. Whoa, deja vu.
Blocky gone? But that can't be! Blocky's a great guy! He's my friend too! And he's only killed 2 people.
Yeah, whatever. As the next challenge is all about food, cooking it, and eating it.
Mix, 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 mix.
No recipes? How are you supposed to make a cake without recipes? It's as bad as making a cake out of dirt!
Oh, well, a dirt cake is still better than an ice cake.
I finished. It's a rice cake.
Why are you making such a big cake?
So if anyone is having trouble making a cake themselves, I can lend some.
Oh, so is it like you do it for me?
I guess?
Good news, Pen! Leafy is going to make our cakes!
Well, that's not what I was planning for, so there's a price to pay. Oops, there's the jar I was looking for. Pay up, boys. Minimum tip is $5.
Oh, I don't have any money.
We're still 1 cent short.
Coiny's a penny, right?
Yeah.
Well, I'll get 10 points from flour, right? Cake's done. It smells dirty. Oh well, probably just me. Now my cake is done.
30 minutes left.
Woody, do you need help? Good luck, Notham friend.
Normal strawberry cake. Taste test. Pretty good. 8 out of 10. Fiery.
Mine's chocolate.
You baked without the oven? That's an automatic 10 for effort.
I wouldn't say so.
This is starting to get irritating, so you get a 4.
But I was the first to make the...
Quinny's turn.
It's, baked dirt.
Well, dirt is unsafe, so I won't eat it. I'm sorry, but dirt will get a 2.
Well, a dirt cake is better than an ice cake. Oh, I see you put effort into it, like baking it and stuff. I'll give it a 7 for what wonderful things it could have been.
Second half, each team will eat 100 chocolate balls. The fastest team wins. And start eating.
Each one go.
Oh no, I think I had too much.
Okay, is everyone here? Yes.
Come on, choose one. You know you want to.